Hello, today I'm in Dacia Spring. In this video I'll show you how to start the car. In the beginning, let's insert the key to ignition. Enable ignition. And now press brake. Right here, select neutral, which means the middle position, and then turn the car by switching the key to the right. This one is an electric, so you won't hear any noise coming from the engine. The only indicator that signals us the car is on is this green OK button. When this lamp is on, it means that you can go. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.